Hello, my YouTube friends. Dave Wilson here. 1st November. I thought I'd give you a little bit of an update. I learned something today. Well, I learned a lot of things, but I try to learn something every day. My friend Max, the owner, president, and CEO of OmniDrop, that makes, well, anyway, Drop Effect makes OmniDrops. He suggests I never make the main body out of print it at zero point zero 0.04 millimeters, or zero point 0.4 millimeters, I'm sorry. I always use 0.25. He said I'd break the gears if I did that. Well, he was right. So this is what happened. I broke the gears inside. Luckily, I had a couple spares, so I rebuilt it. And I printed it at 0.25, the way I should have. And this is a color I'm really excited about. Besides really being fond of OmniDrop, I always like Green Gate 3D filament. And this is a new color they came out with. It's Billy Rubin's Cherry Pie. Anyway, I ordered some of this. It's a really interesting red. It's really nice, and if you print it with infill like this did, it's hard to see all the shimmer, but it really comes out quite well. And so I printed all the parts I could out of that color for the OmniDrop. So that's something I learned, not to print at the wrong nozzle size. So this one's going in the trash. But the other thing I've done then is I learned not to try to embed magnets if they don't fit. So I had some I embedded in this that were a little too high, and that really messed things up. But here I'm printing a ring for my filament dryer. It's going to be handle 2 rolls, so it's going to take about 24 hours to print. I started about an hour and a half ago. So it'll be finished hopefully tomorrow. But it'll add to my filament dryer so that I'll have another double roll section. I found I can easily keep about 6 to 8 rolls dry this way, or dry them out. And this is my new dryer system I'm trying to put together. So pretty common. I think I'll put some links on this in the video. But the other thing I'm trying to do is print ABS for the first time in the enclosure. So far it looks like it's going pretty well. I've got it up to about 50 degrees inside. It's about 24 right now in the basement here. So having some pretty good luck with that, and we'll see how it works. I hate to open it up, but you can see it printing. So that's about all. Oh, the other thing I'm working on is for the filament dryers. This is the roller system. The filament storage units. The Rubbermaid containers, and the rolls roll on this, and then this is the exit assembly. Now this was the original. Now I modified a little bit to allow that I could use a Bowden tube fitting to hook up the Bowden tube to it, and then these are little stoppers that will fit into the Bowden tube to seal the end off. So what I did, I get a little crazy. I made different color for this is like ABS, and then PETG, and this will be TPU. But yeah, I get a little wild and crazy. Well, thanks for watching. Please leave me comments, and talk to you soon.